Residents whose homes were flooded during recent rains are slowly getting their lives back together. In Wees Road, St. Andrew, reality continues to sink in as the destruction appears to be worse than originally thought. Kirk Wright has this primetime news follow-up.
The residents have begun the tedious task of putting their lives back together.
In my condition, when I come inside, I didn't know where to start cleaning. I was confused.
In most cases, it's turned out to be a 24-hour job for the affected residents. Today, Terrian Murray is trying to bring back some white clothing, while inside her house, a workman fights hard to rescue her furniture buried under piles of dirt. In one of her bedrooms, her bed base is literally baked in by the mud. The mud mark on the wall in her bathroom clearly illustrates that her toilet bowl was also covered in the brown stuff. The mud has rendered most of her items useless.
It's a piece of table there. The TV no come out. All of them don't come out yet. The dirt still hold them. Most of the things them, the dirt still hold them. So we have to wait until them clean the dirt from around it so them can throw it. Everything have to throw it.
Terran is a nail technician, but she's unable to work now because all her work tools have been damaged. Henry Lewis, the man who rescued the little girl who was swept away by water, is also trying to move on. He has done a fairly good job so far at cleaning up.
How hard is it?
It's hard. Very hard. Because being after washing down the wall at the same time and trying to get out the mud and thing. So it's very hard. So I have to wash down from furniture, appliance, all the fridge inside is full of water, the stove full of mud and water, so I have to wash out everything. This is a white mesh mirror, you see it? Still mud and everything. So the drawer cannot pull, so I don't even try to pull it, and I don't have the time as it. I'm still working all the way. They're good closing. Still on the mud and water.
Henrietta Rawle can rest a little bit more comfortably now. Friends have been helping her to clean out the muck outside her house, rubble still stacked window high. Hers is one of the more badly affected houses, but she's trying to salvage some items.
As you can see, I thank the soldiers very much for cleaning out. But the infrastructure like the doors have to be repairing, them that they can close. The whole thing, everything destroyed. They have to be cleaning up. So it's an enormous task.
The flooding made a mess of the community's potable water supply, so this is now their saving grace. Vehicles can now traverse Wees Road from one end to the other. The National Works Agency, along with the soldiers, continue to remove the excess dirt from the road. Kirk Wright, TVJ News.